This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. As you know, when purchasing for goods or service for cash, you're swapping cash for your desired item or service. Such as the name implies, a swap most often means to exchange one item or service of value for another or many items or services of value of equivalent value. Similarly, in cryptocurrency, a swap refers to exchanging one cryptocurrency you hold for the equivalent value of another cryptocurrency. To complete a swap, most likely you'll use a normally centralized service. This is similar to a trade, with the primary difference being that zero fiat currency is involved. Instead, the trade is of cryptocurrencies. During a swap, you pay with an alternative cryptocurrency different than the crypto you will purchase. But in crypto world, in order to swap any tokens, you'll definitely have to use one of many automated market maker or AMM. One of the best and successful DEX on the BSC is Pancakeswap, which is powered by the Cake token. If you're interested in this, then I suggest you stay with me until the end of this video. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Pancakeswap and how it works. If you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to get updates whenever we post. Pancakeswap was founded by a group of anonymous developers in September 2020. What made it different at the time of launch was that Pancakeswap was built on the Binance Smart Chain or BSC, which offers faster and cheaper transactions compared to Ethereum. At the time of Pancakeswap's launch, Ethereum was suffering from expensive and slow transactions as DeFi's mainstream moment in 2020 drove massive demand for transactions. Almost all DeFi applications lived on Ethereum at the time. Aside from cheaper network fees powered by BSC, Pancakeswap also offered a lower swap fee of 0.2%, while the industry standard is 0.3%. On the back of its low fee model, Pancakeswap saw rapid growth in both trading volume and total value locked or TVL. It became one of the industry's largest decentralized exchanges by trading volume in February 2021, standing toe-to-toe with AMM Pioneer and Ethereum darling Uniswap. If you're wondering what Pancakeswap is, well, by far it's the most popular decentralized exchange or DEX on Binance Smart Chain or BSC. Pancakeswap has become somewhat of a phenomenon in the blockchain space in recent months, thanks to its massive liquidity, wide-ranging feature set, and sizable user base. The platform is designed to allow users to securely trade Binance Coin or BNB and a massive variety of BEP20 tokens without relying on centralized services or losing control over their private keys. As a decentralized exchange, all trades on the Pancakeswap are automatically executed via smart contracts, completely eliminating counterparty risks. Although the team behind Pancakeswap is completely anonymous, the platform has been audited by several prominent blockchain security firms, including Certic and Slowmist. The platform is also completely open source, since the Pancakeswap website and smart contract code are open to public scrutiny. Nonetheless, it's known that the team consists of more than a dozen members known as chefs, including 2 co-leads, Hops and Thumper, and a variety of engineers. Since the platform launched in September 2020, it has seen a dramatic growth not only in the number of users and the liquidity of supported assets, but also in the variety of features it offers. Now, Pancakeswap can be considered an entire ecosystem of DeFi tools, all of which are built around the platform's native utility token, Cake. Cake, a native utility token of Pancakeswap, is used for a variety of purposes within the growing landscape. Its main functions are yield farming, staking, participating in the Pancakeswap lottery, and making and voting on governance proposals through the platform's community governance portal. But how does Pancakeswap work? Pancakeswap is a type of DEX known as an automated market maker or AMM. This essentially means that there are no order books, bid or ask system, or limit market orders. Instead, users trading on the platform automatically draw liquidity from one or more liquidity pools, which then rebalance after the trade is complete. Trades conducted on an AMM like Pancakeswap subtract liquidity from one side of the pool and add liquidity to the other, thereby changing the weights of the assets in that pool and their relative values. This liquidity is contributed by users known as liquidity providers or LPs, who add equal values to both sides of a liquidity pool like BNB or USDC to increase the total amount of liquidity available. Users receive LP tokens that represent their share in that particular pool. These tokens need to be returned in order to retrieve their fraction of the pool. In return for providing liquidity, LPs receive a share of the transaction fees generated by any pools that contribute. There is a flat 0.25% transaction fee for makers and takers, most of which is shared among the liquidity providers. As a decentralized application or DApp, Pancakeswap is generally accessed through a supported Web3 wallet such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Wallet Connect. Once configured to support Binance Smart Chain, these wallets are used to interact with the Pancakeswap smart contracts via the intuitive Pancakeswap frontend. The platform is funded by the Pancakeswap Treasury, which currently receives 15% of all the trading fees generated. According to the official documentation, funds from the Treasury can be used for a variety of purposes related to the upkeep and maintenance of the platform. These include salaries, audits, prizes, bounties, hosting, etc. Like most decentralized exchanges in the sector, Pancakeswap allows traders to use liquidity pools to swap different token pairs. While some users exchange their tokens for another one, others earn rewards through transactions by staking their tokens in the liquidity pools. However, that's just one small part of the larger game, as traders can use the zero pools to increase their rewards. A typical example is staking the native token of Pancakeswap Cake in a zero pool to accumulate massive rewards over months. Taking a thorough tour through the platform is advisable, as new users might struggle to understand the platform. Before using Pancakeswap, a trader needs to have a personal wallet, since the platform doesn't list fiat as a supported currency. To enjoy a better experience, traders use wallets such as Trust Wallet, Math Wallet, and a few other trusted wallets. One significant difference between using a DEX and a centralized exchange is that a user would not need to input their details to use the exchange. A trader would need to purchase a token, preferably Binance Coin, and transfer it into his wallet to kickstart the process. After the first step, the Binance Coin converts to Binance Smart Chain and is ready for use on Pancakeswap. However, a small transaction fee passes to the user for the conversion of the tokens mentioned earlier. Finally, the trader can now swap tokens by using the exchange function on the platform. To earn rewards, traders must provide liquidity by buying liquidity pool or LP tokens. To buy LP tokens, traders need to spend the exact amount of a pair of tokens, for example, Cake BNB. The liquidity can dissolve whenever the trader wants, and the rewards will be sent in the token that was spent on buying the LP tokens in the first place. Pancakeswap is still very much young in the DeFi sector and cannot yet rival heavyweights such as Uniswap and SushiSwap when it comes to value. Still, it's already gaining massive attention in the market. If Ethereum doesn't work on most of the issues raiding its network, it's only a matter of time before Pancakeswap woos in developers and users from Uniswap and SushiSwap in the sector. Pancakeswap is a well-designed DEX that offers a variety of methods to earn capital with plenty of tokens, farms, and pools. Having been audited by Setrike, it's a trustworthy and relatively secure exchange for users looking to capitalize on the volatile cryptocurrency market. While there is no customer support on the Pancakeswap website, there are several social media channels that can be used to contact the team or community for help. So there you have it. Let's know your thoughts about Pancakeswap. We hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.